Welcome to Go with the Gecko, Australia's no-hassle, quick and easy van, ute and truck hiring solution. Looking for a simple and affordable solution for your next move? Rent by the hour, day or week, one way or return. Whichever way is most convenient for you, we have the hire option to suit your need. Go with the Gecko has been providing a simple, no-hassle alternative to commercial vehicle hire for Australians looking to rent utes, vans and trucks since 1995. Our simple no-frill solution makes local and interstate hiring easier, affordable and more enjoyable. Are you moving into a new house or apartment? Maybe looking for a larger vehicle to help with that oversized job? Or need to pick up that impulse Gumtree purchase? Are you finding that professional removalists or other commercial vehicle hire companies are just too pricey? Then we are the easy solution for you. Go with the Gecko has cheap vans, utes and trucks that are conveniently located around Australia to help you easily and quickly move yourself. Go with the Gecko's vehicle hires are available from convenient service stations and other retail hire points near you. Our new Pick Up Anywhere software means you can unlock and lock our vehicles through your own smartphone, providing even more collection options, and we can deliver a vehicle directly to your front door. Bookings are as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply find your nearest hire location online through our website or Google search, decide how long you need to hire and book your vehicle, or you can call our Australian sales team, then grab your vehicle and drive away. We have vans, utes and trucks to suit the smallest to largest of loads. All our vans and light trucks are fully enclosed and lockable, and our utes come with high cages to make moving heavy and awkward loads easier. This allows you to carry more items, keeping your belongings safe while you do it. Why you should pick Go with the Gecko is that unlike other companies, we offer the flexibility of one-way or two-way hire, local and interstate hires, competitive pricing, giving you great value for money, and easy to drive modern vehicles that can be driven with a standard car license. And if you're ready to move, but figuring out the logistics seem overwhelming, we've got more than 2 decades of experience with helping move people's personal and professional belongings. Our experienced staff will provide tailored advice to you on how best to organise your move. We can even provide you with extra hired help to make your move as easy and as stress-free as possible. Once we know what your needs are, we'll discuss what vehicle and package provides the best fit. So come experience the reason why more people are choosing to go with the Gecko for their van, ute and truck hiring solutions. Contact us today at our Australian Contact Centre on 1300 826 883 or email us for high quality advice and quick efficient service and get your move underway. We'll show you how you can move more for less.